Hello everyone, yes you have heard it right. Tesla has sold 75% of their bitcoins, and the coin market has not taken the shocker quite well as Bitcoin shed 2.5% from its price just within an hour after the announcement. There is a lot of guessing going on in the market as to what triggered the sale. Keep watching as talk more about this potentially paradigm-jolting decision from the leading electric car manufacturer. We will have a look at a bit on the history of the Tesla-Bitcoin relation, how things unfolded, what it means for both Tesla and Bitcoin in general, and the probable reasons behind this perspective shift for the company. Here's a bit of history. Tesla founder and CEOs Elon Musk first confirmed that the company holds Bitcoin along with Ethereum and Dogecoin at a Bitcoin conference about a year ago, and he famously said, "I might pump, but I don't dump." So the news of dumping their 75% Bitcoin came as a rather surprise. The tech billionaire has long been credited for adding a lot of hype and fueling the price of digital currencies, specifically Bitcoin and Dogecoin. We first witnessed it when he added #Bitcoin to his Twitter bio in January 2021, and that gave the coin a jump, albeit temporary, of as much as 20%. It was first revealed in a Security and Exchange Commission filing by Tesla in February 2021 that it had invested a massive $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and also stated that the company would start accepting the world's leading digital currency as a token of purchase for its products, initially on a limited basis. Elon tweeted on March 24, 2021, "You can now buy a Tesla with Bitcoin." However, later, these plans were rolled back, citing environmental concerns linked to the mining of digital coin. As an astute businessman, the no-nonsense Elon seemed to have done his homework and suggested that Tesla was converting nearly 8% of the company's massive $19 billion cash reserves to digital currency, citing long-term potential of the leading digital coin. After investing $1.5 billion, it sold roughly 10% worth $272 million of the coin within the first 2 months of the purchase, and analysts estimated that this well-timed sale gave them a whopping $101 million profit at that stage. This sale helped the company announce an overall $438 million profit in the first quarter of 2021. However, as we all know, since then things have not been quite the same, especially for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has lost a lot more than half of its price after hitting an all-time of $69,005 in April 2021 and currently trades around the 21,000 mark. So, what triggered the sale? Honestly, there is a lot of speculation about why Tesla sold their Bitcoins, and frankly, nobody knows exactly what was the thinking behind this move at the Tesla headquarters. But going by the company's stance, as Elon Musk indicated in Tesla's Q2 2022 earnings call, it was because of the COVID-related uncertainty and to improve the company's cash on its balance sheet. However, Elon further went on to say that their move should not be considered as a verdict on Bitcoin, as they are certainly open to increasing their Bitcoin holdings in the future. Just after that, perhaps not surprisingly, Mr. Musk says they have not sold any of their Dogecoins, which clearly indicates his love for the meme coin. That said, most experts are not ready to buy this stance of Elon Musk on why they sold their Bitcoin. They say the move has more to do with the inflation and looming recession that has affected many, and Tesla is no exception. The effect can clearly be seen in Tesla's profits for the quarter, as they made $2.26 billion in profits as compared to $3.3 billion in profits for the first quarter of 2022, which is a massive 31% decrease. Elon, in a reply to a tweet on 26 May, did confirm that he thought the recession was approaching. In another reply to a tweet as to how long he thinks the recession will last, Elon said, based on past experience, about 12 to 18 months. Companies that are inherently negative cash flow, i.e. value destroyers, need to die so that they stop consuming resources. These clearly show the sale of Bitcoin as a preemptive measure against looming recession and economic meltdown. Some of the experts say that the move actually has to do with the performance of crypto in general, and Bitcoin specifically, as crypto by far has been the worst performing asset class in 2022. So the actual motive was to cut their losses in crypto. On top of that, to improve cash balance, they needed to liquidate something, and this time it happened to be Bitcoin. Now, let's talk about how the sale actually went for Tesla. when it was revealed that Tesla had sold 75% of their bitcoins for $936 million in the second quarter of 2022. Crypto analysts such as Elon from Arcane Research were quick to calculate that Tesla sold 29,060 of their BTC for an average price of $32,209. This is lower than the price of $33,325 Tesla needed to be at break-even. This equates to $170 million in impairment loss for the company. However, some analysts such as Brian Johnson from Barclays estimate a hit of $460 million for the leading electric vehicle maker. However, taking into account Tesla's last year's sale of 10% of their Bitcoin at a massive profit, that reduces their overall Bitcoin impairment to some extent. In the end, let's talk about how this sale has affected Tesla and Bitcoin till now, and what are its future implications, if any. The news was a rather surprise for the coin market as Bitcoin shed 2.5% in value within an hour and was trading close to 23,000 when the news first broke. It later dropped further to around 21,000 within the next 3 to 4 days. However, it has rebounded to some extent since then. As the sale improved Tesla's cash reserves, the share market took the news positively and Tesla's share price increased from $741 a share to the $810 mark, an increase of around 10% over a couple of trading days. This news had a mixed response from the analysts as some said they saw it coming, and some were rather surprised considering Musk's earlier exuberant positivity about crypto in general. However, it must be noted that Tesla still continues to hold 9,686 bitcoins, and going by Elon's statement, they still hold all of their Dogecoins. All of Tesla's holdings in digital assets are estimated to be around $222 million. This shows that the company and Musk still have a considerable amount of crypto holdings, and this sale, as Musk indicated, should not be considered a verdict on Bitcoin. Nonetheless, the sale itself at this point does raise a few questions as to why sell at this point when the Bitcoin is trading nearly its yearly lows. Are we yet to see the bottom, and the move is just barely to cut their losses in Bitcoin, and maybe something big is about to catch the market unguarded? Frankly, only with time, we will truly know the answer to these questions. For the time being, the consensus among analysts is that the move was to increase cash on the balance sheet for the company and to avoid any further potential losses on their Bitcoin as the leading digital coin continues to struggle in the year 2022. But, as the company still holds a considerable number of Bitcoins and has not sold any of their Dogecoins, the confidence in the crypto has not fully vanished for the company or Elon Musk. That's all we have on this news. If you would like to keep yourself updated with tech news with in-depth analysis, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. See you next time.